2024 Toyota Fortuner, a remarkable SUV that seamlessly blends rugged capability, sophisticated style, and advanced technology. Join us as we delve into the depths of this exceptional vehicle, exploring its best features, performance, and overall value proposition. Exterior design, a statement of boldness and sophistication. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2024 Toyota Fortuner, it's clear that this SUV is designed to make a statement. Its bold, muscular front end, characterized by a dominating grille and sleek headlights, exudes confidence and capability. The sculpted side profile, with pronounced wheel arches, hints at the Fortuner's off-road prowess, while the rear end, though understated, maintains the vehicle's overall sense of sophistication. Interior, a haven of comfort and convenience. Stepping inside the 2024 Toyota Fortuner is like entering a haven of comfort and convenience. The spacious interior, designed with high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail, provides ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. The plush front seats offer exceptional support and adjustability, ensuring a comfortable ride even on extended journeys. The rear seats, equally comfortable, can easily accommodate 3 adults, making family outings or road trips with friends a breeze. Performance, power, and efficiency in harmony. Under the hood of the 2024 Toyota Fortuner lies a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, a testament to the vehicle's blend of power and efficiency. This potent engine delivers an impressive 201 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, ensuring that the Fortuner can tackle any challenge, whether it's navigating city streets, cruising down highways, or conquering rugged off-road terrain. The 6-speed automatic transmission seamlessly complements the engine's power, providing smooth and responsive gear changes. Technology, keeping you connected and informed. The 2024 Toyota Fortuner is not just about rugged capability and stylish design. It's also a haven of advanced technology. The standard 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, offering a range of features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. For an even more immersive experience, the available 9-inch touchscreen with premium sound system provides exceptional audio quality and connectivity options. Safety, putting your mind at ease. Your safety is paramount, and the 2024 Toyota Fortuner comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features designed to keep you and your passengers protected. Standard safety features include forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The Fortuner also offers a number of optional safety features, including blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, providing an extra layer of security on every journey. Off-road prowess, a true adventure companion. The 2024 Toyota Fortuner isn't just a capable city dweller, it's a true adventure companion. With its impressive ground clearance, approach angles, and departure angles, the Fortuner can navigate even the most challenging off-road terrain with ease. It also comes with a number of off-road features, such as crawl control and hill descent control, that make it even more versatile and capable, ready to take you wherever your adventurous spirit leads. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Fortuner emerges as a remarkable SUV that seamlessly blends rugged capability, sophisticated style, and advanced technology. Its powerful engine, spacious and comfortable interior, advanced safety features, and off-road prowess make it an exceptional choice for those seeking a versatile vehicle that can handle any challenge.